So ravens are excellent at mimicking sounds they hear. Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. He does all sorts of voices. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job. And sometimes he hears people who have a cold. Good job, Mischief. Wow. Hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
This isn't working out, Daniel. Good bird.
Hello. That's really interesting, Lolos. Anything else you have to say on the matter? Is that it? You done? Can I get a guar? No? It whispers in my ear. What is it? What is it? What is it? What do you want to say? What do you want to say to the world? Ah! Oh, with a guar? Guar. That's right. That is right. Did you just boop me? Boop. Hub up 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 up. Good boy. Bop, 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 bop. What is it? What is it? That's you. That's you. Ha 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 ha. 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 Ha 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 Is that so? Boop. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Lolos. Oh, sorry, was I not dressed appropriately for you? Is that better? Fix me up, yeah? Is that better, Lolos? Don't wipe yourself on me, sir. How rude. Me?
hide for a while? Hi, Emerson. Hi, Emmer. And talk to everyone. Hi, Emmer. Hi. Tell everyone hi. Hi, Emmer. Hi, Emmer. Hi. You want to go outside, Emmer? Hi, Emmer. Hi, Emmer. Come on. Let's get in the crate. Come on. He's like, I'm not going to just get in the crate. Shut up. Oh. What? What you doing? What? You ready to go? What? I love you. What? You ready to go inside? Let's go.
Have Millie. So Millie is a raven. Hi, you saying hi? Yeah. So ravens are the largest of the corvid family. They are one of the most intelligent birds in the world as well. They actually have the largest brain to body size of all birds. They're a very intelligent bird. They're apparently problem-solving skills of about a 7 or 8 year old. So very, very smart little lady. We like to keep her entertained with as many toys as possible. For instance, we got a couple of things on our Amazon wish list for little Millie, which she would enjoy. But she's a very, very clever little lady and very, very special as well and very beautiful. Mills, jump back up. The thing I do love to show off with Millie is just the iridescence on their feathers. They're incredibly beautiful feathers when you see them up close. Just look at that shine on there. Incredibly beautiful bird. This lovely lady here is Millie. Now, Millie's not a bird of prey, she is a raven. Now, this is the largest of the corvid family. Incredibly intelligent bird. Stop stealing my microphone!
Hola, 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 hola. A ver, ¿cómo dices tú? Hola, mi chica.
Oh my goodness. Nice. 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 Way to go. There you go. Hey, don't be rude.
We're not doing tickle tickles. Good boy. It's not the clearest tickle tickle today, is it? It's more tickle tickle. Yeah, in your London accent that you've got. Oh, look, Rags. Right, crossroads. Do you want to go that way? Do you want to go that way? Or that way? Which way, Rags? For that way? The what means yes normally. Kind of it's an acknowledgement. Or that way? Right, okay, so we've got the same answer for both directions. Okay, so you don't care? I think we should go that way. If we go that way, we're going to go up on top of the hill. There's no trees to protect us from that very, 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 very cold wind. If we go that way, we won't be a cold wind, but it'll be very deep mud, because we've had so much rain. But we'll see the river in full part. Which way? That way? That way? That way? Most indecisive. Or we could go up there, down, and then this way. Okay, so I get the feeling we're not going to get any conclusion here to his decision making. I don't know, mate. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I think we'll just go straight up the hill.